Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill application for PCC, which is Police Clearance Certificate for Indian citizens from Canada. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Open a Google tab and search for Passport Seva at Indian embassies and consulates and hit enter. The first link which will open portal3.passportofindia.gov.in. Click on this link. We first need to register ourselves in order to apply for passport services. So click on this link here to register. In order to register yourself, you need to enter these details. Select the embassy consulate from where you are filling this application. In this case, I'm selecting Canada, Toronto. Now the rest of all the details you need to provide. These are the personal details which you need to enter. Fill in all these details, enter the captcha and then click on register. The fields which are highlighted in asterisk are the mandatory ones, so don't forget to enter the details. Let me show you what will happen once you register yourself. Once you register yourself as a user, click on this user login button to log in yourself. Enter the details as in login ID, which should be your email address and password, and the captcha, and click on login. In order to fill the application for police clearance certificate, click on the second link. Fill in the details of this section as per your Indian passport. So purpose of PCC, it's let's say for this video, it's residency permit. The country where from which PCC is required, let's say I'm selecting Canada. Enter the passport number. This is just a random passport number. Date of issue, let's say it was issued in 2020. And date of expiry, it's let's say 10-year passport expiry, which was like 2030. And then place of issue, it's let's say Delhi. And enter the file number. So I'm just putting a random number over here. Click on next. Enter your details as per the passport. So let's say Scooby do. Gender, let's say male for this application. Date of birth, it's let's say 1st September 2000. Place of birth, let's say Delhi from the passport. Marital status, let's say single. And citizenship of India by birth if you're born in India. PAN if available, voter ID is available. These are not mandatory fields, so you can leave them blank as well. Select your employment type. I'm selecting private over here. Educational qualification is graduate and above, let's say. And Aadhaar number. If you have it, you enter it and then click on yes, I agree that you allow them to use your details from the Aadhaar card to verify what this application. Since over here I'm not entering the Aadhaar number over here, I'm selecting no and then click on next. As for the family details, as you can see, none of these fields are mandatory, but specifying at least one of them is mandatory, so you have to fill at least one. So I'm filling, in this case, I'm filling father and mother details. You have to enter the father's given name, like first name plus middle name, if any. Otherwise, just give the first name and last name. So let's say Mickey Mouse in this case, and then mother name is Minnie Mouse, and then click on next. On this page we have to enter the address of India as well as the address of the country where you are currently located. So I'm just putting the random details over here. These are just random details. Let's say Delhi, district, let's say Northwest. Enter the pin code, let's say this one. Police station, if you know your police station, then enter that. If you don't, click on this hyperlink, know your police station, and you need to enter over here your state as well as the district. So let's say Northwest Delhi and click on go. It will provide you the list of police station in that area. So I'll enter Shalimar Bagh since I'm entering the address of that one. So go back to that page and select the police station relevant to your area. Enter the mobile number with the country code. As well as your email address. Now enter the address where you are located. So for this sake, I'm entering Canada. Enter the address. Let's say Hilton, Ontario, and then the postal code. This is all random. Then you need to enter the phone number as well. This is just a random number. Click on next. Now you need to provide all these other details where if any criminal proceeding has been against pending against you, the answer on for the questions on this page should be no. But if the answer to any of this question is yes, you need to provide proof for that. So I'm selecting no by default and then click on next. Verify the details on this page because this will be printed on your PCC, and if any of the details is incorrect, click on back and go back and edit the changes. Once you have submitted this online application, you cannot edit it, so make sure all these details are correct. If any of these details after submission is incorrect, you need to fill the application form again. So thoroughly check all these details, and once double checked, click on next. Now again validate all the details which you have entered. This is the PCC form summary which will be printed on your PCC. So this has to be accurate for sure, and all the details which you are providing at the bottom you need to provide your address as well. So double check everything that you have entered and it should be correct. If anything is not correct, you still have the option to go to the bottom of the page and click on black back to edit these details. Once you have validated all these details, click on I agree, enter the place. Let's say I'm entering Mississauga, and the date is automatically populated, and click on submit. Click on yes, all the details are correct. Once you submitted your application reference number will be generated. The first two digits will be defining the year in which you are in which you are submitting the application. So this year is 2025, so it's starting with 25. So that makes it accurate. You need to print this application at the home page in order to take this to the BLS center to submit it. So click on home page. This is your home page. Scroll down to the bottom of this page in order to see your application which you have filled for police clearance certificate. Select this application and click on this print application form. The PDF will be generated which you need to print. You can click on this print button in order to print this PDF. If you don't have a printer at home, I would suggest save this PDF on your laptop and then print it. Click on this print in order to save this, and you can select over here as save as PDF and then save it in order to print it. I'm not going to save it over here. Once you have saved this printout, get a printout of it, sign it over here, upload a recent photograph over here, one photograph, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. You need to sign over here as well. So there are the two places where you need to sign. Once all is done, you need to also take all the originals proof which you for this application and sign all the self attest all the photocopies which you are surrendering with this online application. So this online application originals as well as self-attested photocopies. Take all of these to the nearest BLS application center and submit this application. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and enter the comments if you have any questions or not. Even if you don't have any question, do mention the comments telling me about your experience regarding this PCC application at BLS or any other place. I will be happy to know. Thank you for all your time. Have a good one.